Step into the 2011 Ford F-150. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.